Ever wondered if you can actually die from holding in a sneeze? The last one here might ruin swimming pools for you forever. Holding in a sneeze can burst blood vessels in your nose, or even cause ear damage. Ever wondered why your nose runs when you cry? It's your tear ducts draining excess fluid into your nasal cavity. Did you know your toothbrush can grow mold if you keep it in a dark, wet holder? Some jellyfish are immortal. They can revert to an earlier life stage and start over. Most public pools have a chemical that turns blue when someone pees. That's why you shouldn't test your luck. Follow for more.